ready. You're printing your biggest print? Alright. What are we dealing with? How many hours? Give me the deets. I was thinking about starting a print right now, but I don't know. $11 hours? Nice. A mountain. It's good. Exciting. Yeah, all right. Nothing can stop us now. For your science teachers, show how there is layers and stuff in rocks, mountains, and 3D printers can print in layers. Nice. Very cool. I like that. Bum 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 bada bum. Learning about geography or geology, sorry. Geology, rocks and sedimentary and monoliths and shit. That's pretty cool. She would pay for the film and oh, it's gonna cost a whole roll? It's 1,000 really? 1,000 grams? Wow. What are you doing it like 100% infill? That's crazy. Oh, you only have a quarter. Got it. Got it. Alright. Cool, man. Well, that's exciting. Very cool, very cool. You have 8 of those 250 rolls. Nice. Oh, cool. You got like a sampler pack. Very cool. I like it. Welp. We have the actual final iteration of the flex keys with the perfect embossed flex key logo and the engraved Orbem order logo on both sides. And it's engraved, so you see it's not sticking out. You can see against my face. And yeah, the keys are nice. These are keys I keep like switching between different black versions I already have, so they're starting to be nice and loose. But yeah, it's good. Get yours now. Just kidding. It's not available yet, but you know, eventually it will be. We are getting closer to getting the Orbem order business registration. That'll be good. Then I can use it as an official brand on Amazon. So it's 16%, 3 hours. Oh, wow. When you buy one, will you get multiple or just one? Or are you going to do like a 2-pack, whatever? Yeah, I'm definitely going to offer one in solid color. So you can get like a black one, a white one, a blue one, a red one, a green one, a gray one. You can get one in any color, or you can get a 2-pack, choose which 2 colors you want. Or I'm going to allow you to buy the keys separately. Or additional keys separately. So you can get a couple different colors and switch them out. Because, I mean, they're really not... They're not super easy, but they're also not super hard to interchange. So, and they're sturdy. I mean, it sounds worse than it is. And then they switch in. So, I mean, you could have like black, white, red, blue, green, yellow. You know what I mean? You could switch them up. I don't have yellow, actually. I should get yellow. So, yeah, it'll be... Or you can get, you know, an empty one with 2 different colors. I don't know. I can offer it really in any sort of packaging. In any variation. I'll try to limit it, though, because it'll be easier to sell. Did I see the image? Let me see. What is this? Oh, dude, I'm already in DeepSeek. So, it actually solved my custom block problem. So, I actually got the custom block to work with the selector on load. So, DeepSeek it's great. It's really fast. And it's definitely hurting the industry, including my NVIDIA stock. Whoa, Angelo. What up, man? What up, person? Yeah, it's really cool. And it's super fast. It's outrageously fast. I literally just posted the code. I was like, why is this not working on load? No. The website is what I'm using. And it actually took a long time to register an account. I guess they've been getting attacked. But now that I have it, it's great. It's better than ChatGPT right now. And it's free, you know. We'll see how long it lasts, but I'll use it while it's around. DeepSeek. Alright, go back. And in the meantime... Hey, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Holy crap. Nothing's better than a Tuesday, right? We love Tuesdays here at Orbem Order. Whatever. Working on the game. Yeah, the main thing we want to work on today is finalizing the custom Gutenberg block that we created in order to select dialogue lines and either upload an MP3 file that's directly for that line, or just choose a character selector, which each one will have the ability to select their own voice. So on the front end, when you go...
You know why I started Foresight,
they start
right?
talking.
To take over the world?
I need to also make talking volume
No, it
controlled
was to
by
stretch
this
the
setting.
boundaries of what people thought possible.
Let's do that
to
real
bring
quick,
technology to God.
Because it used to control the beeping, booping, talking, but how do I do volume actually with this API? I actually don't know. You're attempting to replace content with read-only. Wait, what? Oh, whoops. Wait. What? Oh, provided audio, that's right. If I was going to provide an MP3 file. That's what I meant to do. And this. There you go. That's what I meant to do. Good, I just fixed that. That would have broke everything. Yeah, so we're going to need to want a hundo figure out. I have pitch and speaking rate, but do we have volume? Audio config. Let's check the docs real quick. Let's just search volume. Gain, maybe. Volume game. Sure. Let's try that. Let's just put one in there and see if it actually changes it. I think it's going to be something like that, where it's just direct, and the number will be, let's try 0.5. I'm guessing it's like 1 is 100. We guessing. All right. Gross. Did you hear that? All right. Let's see if it's quieter. Nope, it's broken though. Invalid. It doesn't like that. Why you no like? What's this number? Oh, hold on. Pitch volume gain. Input only. If unset or set to 0, we'll play normal. Oh, so I need to... I guess what I put was not right. Negative 0.5. Let's just do negative 1.0, I guess. I guess you need to have a point. Documentation. Try again. No, still doesn't like it. Unknown name. Oh, it doesn't like the name. So maybe that's not really a thing. Or maybe it needs to go into... Where am I doing pitch and shit? Uh oh, in audio config? Maybe it goes in audio config then. I thought the way it looked, it didn't do that, but... That's fine. Go.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
There we go.
Hey,
So it's decibel. So 1 isn't actually that
to take over
big
the
of a
world?
number. So let's try going down 6.
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of
Yeah.
what people thought possible, to bring technology to godlike
Wait,
heights.
does it tell you what 0 is?
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant to say.
No one gets it, Graham, but you do.
Negative
You get it. That's why I
96.
chose to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest
I'm
lab.
guessing negative
You
96.
and I are very similar.
Right,
is
almost like twins.
0?
You know why I started Foresight,
it works.
Graham?
Hey,
Awesome. So then let's control volume. So where's volume? Talking volume. That's what I need. And, and let's go back to what I just did. And we'll do this. Bop. So now it should change the volume. Per line, I guess. Maybe it'll change automatically. I don't know. Let's try it. Though I need to check the output of this. I don't think it's the right number output, so I'm gonna have to change the stepping and that kind of stuff. Give it a shot.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
hey.
Did that get quieter?
To take over the world?
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought possible, to bring technology to godlike heights.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant to say.
I can't tell.
No one gets it.
It might not
Graham,
be a
but
big
you
enough
do.
of a number.
You,
All right, let's double check.
That's
the
why I
talking
chose
volume.
to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest lab. You and I are very similar.
See, I'm
right,
doing it divided
almost
by 90.
like twins, eh?
So let's.
None of
see
this
what we're
matters.
getting.
Not the money, not the board, and certainly not 99% of the crap that's developed and pushed out of here.
So, what does matter,
Oh, this
sir?
is actually
Magic.
what I want.
Magic, sir? Like, wizard magic?
Hey,
Did you know that lightning
yeah,
was
stuff.
considered magic at one point?
how's it going?
Fire, the sun.
Yeah, I'm excited to see the final game
No,
too.
the
Actually,
magic to which I refer.
because it's so ugly right now. You know, I haven't added like any final assets, and it's gonna look like a crazy different game when when the assets are in, and it's got the map and all the item graphics and all the people in their right outfits and all the weapons looking, you know what I mean? So that's gonna be the biggest, like, oh wow, the demo's done kind of thing for me. But
You know why I started
Yeah.
Foresight, Graham?
okay, that's
Hey.
why. It's a super small number. Okay, hold on. So in fact, I don't think we need to divide it by 90, now that I think about it. Let's just see. Because it should just be... We actually might have to times it by 10 or something like that, now that I think about it.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Yeah. There we go.
Hey,
So 0 is normal.
to take over the world?
10 is loud.
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of
Louder.
what people thought possible, to bring technology to godlike heights.
Oh, yeah, that's what
So
I meant to
let's
say.
times it by 10.
No one gets it, Graham, but you do. You get it. That's why I chose to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest
10.
lab. You and I are very similar.
Right, almost like twins.
So
eh?
now...
None of this matters.
Hmm...
Not the money, not the board.
Actually, I
and
need the-
certainly not 99% of the crap that's developed and pushed out of
0
here.
actually needs to be negative 96. That's
so,
0.
what does matter, sir?
Magic.
So I need the
Magic,
steps
sir?
to
Like
be a lot
wizard magic?
broader.
Did you know that lightning was
actually
considered
go
magic at one point?
to
Fire,
the
the
settings
sun?
itself? I need to change the input
No,
field.
the magic to which I'm referring is not the magic of fantasy.
Yeah,
it's
we
the
get it, dude.
unknown. Science yet to be
Chill.
discovered.
Okay, where's the
so far in
settings?
advance
Right
that
here.
if anyone from our time saw it in
Okay,
use,
talking.
they would have to consider it
Oh
magic.
yeah, here. Max.
Everyone is afraid
Max
of
is
what
16.
they cannot comprehend. Just like
Min
people
is
are afraid of the research.
96.
The world could fly by another 1,000 years,
Right.
and we'd never figure out what a real wormhole
That's
is.
the range.
Space-time has so far been frustratingly beyond mortals. Your research is something quite special. I called you here to tell you to continue your
So-
research.
Oh, can you do negative numbers? I think you can. No, you can't. Wait, what is the number right now? Oh, okay. Oh, negative 96. Oh, it's because I'm timesing it by 10. Idiot. Hold on. Excuse me. I'm being a doom. There we go. Actually, I think I don't even have to do this whole dividing thing, but whatever. That's the beauty of the process of the game development. First you get all the mechanic stuff here and then the ugly cubes. But with the final assets, it'll tend to something. Yeah, I agree. Especially with all the sound effects too. I mean, it makes, even on like websites, when you get like the final graphics and videos and all that stuff, the fun, pretty stuff, that's when it takes on like the real final version. So, yeah, I'm with you. But we'll get
You know
there.
why I started Foresight, Graham?
Okay, it's working.
Hey,
Oh, there we go. It worked.
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought
That's as loud
possible,
as I
to
wanted
bring
it.
technology to godlike
So halfway
heights.
is this. Wait, what? I guess negative 96 is too low?
right, almost like twins, eh?
None of this matters.
Hmm.
Not the money, not the board, and certainly not 99% of the crap that's
Maybe
developed
negative
and
doesn't
pushed
work.
out of here.
Oh, it's
So, what does
no,
matter,
negative
sir?
ones.
Magic.
So that's quiet.
Magic, sir? Like wizard magic?
Did you know that lightning was considered
So maybe
magic
it's
at
16
one
and
point?
negative 16.
Fire, the sun? No, the magic to which I'm referring is not the magic of fantasy. It's the unknown. Science yet to be discovered, so far in advance that if anyone from our time saw it in use, they would have to consider it magic. Everyone is afraid
Oh.
of what they cannot comprehend.
So what's
Just
0?
like people are afraid of your research. The world could fly by another
I guess it
1,000
depends on
years,
the
we'd never figure out where
the
real
MP3
world
original sound, because it's
Space-time
decibel.
has so far been frustratingly beyond mortals.
Hmm.
Your research is something quite special. I called you here to tell you to continue your research.
I'm gonna do -40. I think that's a better range from what I'm seeing right now. So instead of 96, let's do -40. And it said 16, right? Or am I tripping? 16 is the range. Oh wait, a value of +6 will play economy twice. Don't exceed +10. Okay. Oh shit. I gotta restart the game. Alright, well let's do don't exceed 10. I don't want to yell at me. Though I don't think 16 actually seemed that bad. Alright, let's take a look. Try it again. I also don't like that the volume only changes per line. I don't really know how to handle that though. You can't exactly change the volume after it starts playing. So, I mean, maybe it's not a big deal. Hey, what up, M? Welcome to the YouTube Shorts live feed.
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
Oh, hey. Look, so sorry about your project
I don't
not
think
working
10's
out.
that bad.
Don't worry,
Though my
though.
volume in
You're
my
a young
headphones
guy. You'll do
pretty
great things in
low.
your life after foresight. I know it.
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex disruption and getting a real proof of concept. You
What
were
up,
there.
Doc Dude?
You saw the
The
wormhole
fun has
open that day,
arrived.
right?
Yeah, see, I can still kind of hear it. So I think 40 is where it's at. And this is where it starts. -15.
Cranston and Giles have been in a funding war
It's
with me
kinda
since
quiet.
I was brought on. You know they'd say anything too.
I think I'm going to make
Don't
this
forget the watermelon
20.
incident.
No. Let's make this 16.
There's just no way
I
they'll
feel like
agree
the
to let me keep
mid-range
funding
of
research.
16 will make more
I'm sorry,
sense than the
Ray.
mid-range of 10. So if we do 12 instead of...
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
Oh, hey.
That's not bad.
Look, so sorry about your project not working out. Don't worry, though. You're a young guy. You'll do great things in your life after foresight. I know it.
Sir, you know I was days away from solving the vortex disruption and getting a real proof of concept.
If we turn it up to
You were
16.
there. You saw the wormhole open that day, right?
Graham, unfortunately no one saw, and it isn't just the board who has doubts.
I like it.
Between Professor Cranston
keep
and
that.
Dr. Giles, both making some
Yep.
solid arguments against your wormhole theory.
It does not like negative numbers.
Cranston and Giles have been in a funding war with me since I was brought on.
Alright, let's
You
fix
know they'd
that
say
actually.
anything too.
Let's fix that. I don't think the settings save likes negative numbers. How about go to the class, settings. Here we go. Save settings, save settings. Ooh, I gotta change that to a post call. Should probably do that. Int val. Does int val not work with negative numbers? What is it actually erroring out? It's just saying no restaurant. Oh, it's because it's failing. No restaurant. Preview. Okay, what do... Oh, I think it's because of the negative number in the path. Got it. Yeah, we got to change this to a post call. Alright, register. Rest route. We'll match this. But you basically just do this, and then you grab this, and you do this, and then you do a success. Register restaurant, and then we go to save settings. We'll change this to post. We will remove all of this, because you don't need that for a post call. And we'll just go to this here. We'll add this. We'll change this to request. Cool EO. Wait, what's the request type? It is nothing. I got rid of it. Okay. That's fine. We'll just get rid of it. Perfect. And then we get the request body, blah, blah, blah. Now it's going to be music. These are all going to be int vals, actually. Music. SFX. Music. SFX. And then we need what? Talking? Yeah. And user ID. Which is also inval, right? Oops. User ID. Yeah, inval. Cool. Alright, we can get rid of these. And does intval work with negative numbers? 32-bit system has a maximum sign input range of negative bar, so such as okay, so it can use negative. No problem. All right, this should work. I have to change the rest route here. I have to change it to a post like this, like this. Save setting. Oh, settings. Here we go. We have to bring you into the future. Use the fetch. Use the fetch. Wait, what the fuck? Why is this breaking? What? Why is this breaking? What did I do? Fetch. Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. Don't know what that was about. Save settings. And then the data is going to be music. Whatever. Music. SFX. User ID. And talking. Grand. And then this should just work right out of the box. Cool beans. Love it. Talking. What? Oh. Wait, why is talking not part of the settings? Was I not saving talking this whole time? Oh, I am. Oh, maybe I just didn't add it to the params. That's weird. Yeah, right. What? Alright, let's see if it works now. So if I change you to you, and I go boop. Nope, still don't like it. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Okay. Try that again. Wait, there's an error. Why is there an error? Huh? Who's erroring? Am I missing something? No. What is the error? Why is there no red in my file, but it says there's an error? Oh. What? Oh, I screwed something up over here. What did I... Oh, shit. I pasted it in the wrong spot. Or something. Okay. I don't know what happened. JSON. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Fetch got, like, moved. Okay. That's weird. It's like I dragged fetch in the wrong spot. That's super weird. Alright. That's how you fix that, in case anybody's wondering. Hey! Anybody that's new here, make sure that you, you know, subscribe and stuff. Wait, you lost your sub because Twitch didn't tell me how to renew it after it didn't go through the first time? What? That's weird. Yeah. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel because you get to see this stream even more. And you get to see the 3D printing, music, all the cool stuff that we do here at Orbem Order live. The other cool thing that you get to see is Scotch time. Cheers, my friends. Alright. Let's see this shit work. Pop up. Doop doop. Save, my friend. Boom. Saved. Someone's calling me. Hold, please. Yeah, alright. Excuse me. I hope you keep your streak as well. Good luck with that. Alright, what was I doing? Okay, so did it actually save, or is it just pretending to save? Oh no, it's saved. Okay, perfect. Good. Alright. That is solved. We don't have to worry about that anymore. So now that we have talking saved, let's go back to this. So this works now. I need to make sure that the upload MP3 file works. So we'll switch this to a clip. And we'll do that. And then now what should happen is for the one line that says hey, it should play that random audio clip and not do the Google TTS. Oh shit. No! I can't keep track of my own chat if that happens. Okay. So let's try it out. Oh shit. Volume's too low.
Look, so sorry about your project not working out. Don't worry, though. You're a young guy. You'll do great things in your life after Foresight. I know it.
Sir, you know I
Wait,
was
what?
days away from solving the vortex
did I
disruption and
miss?
getting a real proof of concept. You were there. you saw the wormhole open that day. Hey, Mr. Salverson.
Oh, hey. Look, so sorry about your project not working out. Don't worry, though. You're a young guy. You'll do great things in your life after Foresight. I know it.
Sir,
Wait, what?
you know I was days away from solving.
Something's being skipped. Oh, I'm in the wrong fucking area. I'm an idiot. Hold on. Alright, hold on. We gotta go to the office. I'm trying to trigger an audio for a scene I'm not in yet. That's me.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Hey,
No, it didn't work. Alright, hold on. We have to fix that. Well, we got to make it work. Alright, so... talk. Make talk. So in make talk, I want provided audio to be the file. So... what is the problem? Provided audio. Provided audio. So provided audio technically should be the audio file inside of pengage. Oh, wait. Current dialogue. Right? So if we look at current, let's see the cutscene. It's this. And inside the cutscene is right here. Hey. Oh, the audio file is on the outside. When did that happen? You know what? I did notice that in the block. That it was putting it on the outside now that I think about it. Yeah, I want this to be part of the content. How do I do that? Can I add it to content? This might change things. Unless I can simply add this to content. Like this. Like if mp3 URL, then content equals content plus this audio file. I don't know. Maybe. It is a const. Let. Maybe. Let's see if that works. Because I'll need new content to include this as well. I don't know. Let's just give it a shot. If not, I might have to ask DeepSeek. Because I don't feel like doing a million trial and errors on so that's fine. Let's do this. Save. Now hopefully it's inside the P. Okay. Well, it's an object apparently. So, the only way I know how to handle this is to let it be rewrapped, like how it was originally. Which is basically, like this. P. And then we can move this class name to here. And we can move this to, I don't know. I mean, I wonder if we can just put content in here, huh? Like we don't need the rich text at all. Like what if we just did this? I mean, that's all we need, right? We don't need rich I mean, rich text in this case is for the on-change event. But I think you can add an on-change event directly to a P tag, right? Class name on-change. We don't need this. I think the rich text is so you can update it. Oops. Content. Yeah. P. Right? Right. I think that works. I don't know if you can add an on-change event though to a P tag, so let's see. We're about to find out. What? Yeah, right. Yes, we do not want that. Let's resave this. Yeah, okay. And let's see what it looks like. Welp. It's coming out as objects still. Let's start fresh. How about that? Let's delete this block. Let's start a new one. We'll say hey again. We'll choose you. We'll upload you. Okay, and we'll save. And then we'll do that. Same thing. Interesting. So it's seeing content. No, it's seeing this audio as an object. Which doesn't make sense to me. Something's not saving. Yeah. Is it not saving? That doesn't appear to be correct. Yeah, because it's showing two objects now. What? I don't get it. Maybe it's just not saving because the edit function's just wrong. Yeah, maybe. Alright. This ain't working. It needs the rich text. I get it. Let's go back to this. The only thing I can think of is let's put another P. Let's wrap it in a P. And let's add the class name to that P. And then we can just target it differently. It's not a big deal. And now it'll be pretty much exactly the same thing as it was before. Except for in this case, it will be wrapped in a double P. Double P? Yeah, alright. Nope. Term class is not defined. Why? What did I do to term class? Term class. Wait, what? What did I do to term class? Oh, it's selected term, not term class. My bad. There you go. Alright. Let's start fresh. Hey. MC. Upload you. Great. And if we refresh, will it error? Yes, it will. Why? Because P, that class, that is not right. What? It's missing the hay. Wait, what? What did I do? Value content. Content. Value content. What the fuck is the big deal? Alright, let's go back all the way and see if I can just switch this to P. Maybe it doesn't like P. Maybe it has to be a div. I don't know. It seems like it should be able to be P though. So let's try this again. Hey, you. Divs for the win! F you divs. Alright, refresh. Alright, it doesn't like P. It either likes nothing or div, apparently. Alright, that's fine. We're gonna leave it. And instead, we're gonna add a matching class. No, that won't work. We're going to span. I mean, if we do, I want this to be P though. Span? I don't know, maybe span will work? I don't know why P's not working though, so I don't think span will work. Yeah, I know, right? Let's try it. Hey, you. Look what you doing. Reload. It doesn't. It does. Okay. So it doesn't mind span, apparently. It does not mind the spawn. So we have span. Now it's like that. Yeah, whatever. Let's do this, I guess. And then P engage for the current dialogue could also be that. Dot engage, maybe. Yeah. That's fine. We're gonna need to find all the P engages though. Yeah, I knew there was another one. Yep. What the fuck? Pop. And then what's gonna happen here is next sibling will work still. And then you'll remove, you'll add, query selector audio for provided audio, that should work. Only problem is now if it's this, that next P inner text is going to have to be a query. So basically, if next P includes this class, then next P, I guess we could do the, I guess we could do text equals next P query selector P dot inner text, right? Else, I guess we'll just do it like this. No else. So text is a let. Okay. So it's that. Otherwise it's that. Okay. And then we'll do whatever we want. Ooh, but we're gonna have to do that with the inner text as well. We'll have to remove it. Next P, yeah, I'm gonna have to define next P, not text. So let's do this instead. Where's next P? Next P needs to be a let. And dot dot dot. If next P has that, then next P equals next P that. Okay. And then that. I'll put this back. Text, blah, blah, blah. Text, blah, blah, blah. Yep, that should work. Let's go back to pengage though. Oops. I thought I was in here. So, current dialogue. What are we using this for? Looking for audio. Looking for the character. Wait, but I think I still have the character class on the P. Oh, I wonder if I can actually switch that now. Let me try to switch that to the span. It wasn't letting me before, but let's try now. And then in the save function, let's do the same thing. Now that it's span, maybe it'll work. Alright. Didn't you already do this yesterday, Indy? I thought you already subscribed. But hey, thanks. Oh, okay. Appreciate it. Oh, you didn't sub yesterday? I thought I saw somebody sub yesterday. Alright, this is kind of a mess, but let's see if it works. Let's try fresh. Hey. Let's select the main character. Let's upload the file. Let's save. Let's refresh. Still good. Let's check the front end. And now we have MC, that, hey. Okay, this might work. That was you? It was just you didn't sub by the 14th district. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay.
You know why I started Foresight, Gray?
Hey.
Uh-oh. Why is it doing that? It's looping. And then why did it do hey? It shouldn't have done hey. It should have played the audio. Hey, deck dude. Hey. Hey. Show me current progress of the mountain. Ooh, I want to see. Oh yeah, that's a mountain. Fantastic, dude. That's gonna be great. Okay. Current dialogue. Blah blah blah. This dot engage. That did work, and it did play the audio. I mean, it did take the text, but it shouldn't have played the make talk. So let's see, why did that happen? Provided audio, next P query selector audio. Next P. Oh, no, that's right. Yeah. Typewriter still worked. Inner text worked. Except for it didn't pass provided audio, I guess. Let's see what we're getting for provided audio. If it's just false the whole time, then I guess we know the problem. Scotch time. Ooh. Yeah, it's catchy, man.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Hey.
See, hey should not be false. Alright. Hey should not be false. So something's wrong here. This is wrong. So let's see what we're... Wait. Why is this a let? This doesn't need to be a let. Oh, I did a let so I can do false. Got it. Query selector audio. Let's see what we get here.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Hey.
Yeah, there it is. Weird, it's doing it twice. Null. It's hitting this twice. Is there a loop? Yeah, it's weird because it worked. And then it did false. Huh. It's getting a little complicated here. So it worked. But since it's an async function, it seems like it looped for some reason and then went false. Why did it do that? We'll go into the sibling, right? Next sibling, which is next P, which is technically not a P. We're removing... Oh, wait, what's dialogues? Wait, what's dialogues? What's dialogues? Dialogues is way up here. Aha! It's getting all the P's. I think that's why. Hold on. We also need to get all of these. Oh, all of these. And I hope it's only getting the first level P's. It might not be. It might be getting all the P's inside as well. Which might explain the issues, but let's see. The array of speaking lines. Yeah. Rapid PLA for your printer. You should be using high-speed filament. But a lot of them nowadays can go up to 300 millimeters a second. Even the normal. Yox got his Twitch back. Alright, let's get you your stream avatar then. I mean, as long as it's working, it's working. Okay.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Hey.
Didn't work.
To take over the world?
Oh, it worked.
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought possible.
Well, at least we
to
got
bring
it back
technology
to
to godlike
working.
heights.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant to say.
Yeah, what the hell? Stream
No one
avatars,
gets it,
go.
Graham, but you do.
But you do.
You get it. That's
get
why I
it.
chose to bring you here. Why I gave you the most funding, the biggest
Why am I
laugh.
stream avatar
You
for
and
that?
I are very similar.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, Batman. What up? Okay. We have it working now. Good. Still not doing the provided audio. I do not know why, though. It must be something to do with the fact that it's... 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Why am I putting speaking rate up here? I think that's the problem. More talk has too many values. But this is only vocal range and provided audio. Oh, whoops. Let's do that. And then let's do this. Speaking rate is 1.2. You muted me? You son of a bitch. That's alright, man. You can mute me. I'm just eye candy anyways, you know? Just staring at me. Is the theme development or plugin development? This is theme development. But when I finish the game engine, I will turn it into a plugin. So that you can just install it. It all applies. It's just in a class. You know, I have all the PHP in class, all the JavaScript and styling are in separate files. So I could easily be working in my Orbem WordPress engine, game engine plugin instead. But just because this is, I was building the game into my site, I just did it into my custom theme. But yeah, exact same stuff.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Yay! It tried.
To take over the
It
world?
failed, but it tried.
No, it
Provided
was to
audio,
stretch the
audio?
boundary.
What the hell? When did I do provided audio, audio? Provided... Oh, I did do provided audio, audio. You fucking idiot. How come you guys don't tell me these things? You're not watching? You finished the chapter? The first chapter? So you know the lines that I'm playing right now. That's awesome. Alright, here we go. It's gonna work.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
It worked!
Take over the world?
No, it was to stretch the boundaries of what people thought.
Okay, that's a lot louder than I was hoping for. Awesome. So now, every line can be its own audio file. That's good, right? I guess that's good. You're gonna get money for high honor roll? Hell yeah. You deserve it, man. That's not hard. That's not easy to do. Display. Can I display none an audio file? And let's just do opacity none. Alright, let's see if that works better. I was trying to blow out your speakers. I apologize. Well, it's because I have the volume all up on talking, because the talking volume's kind of quiet. You trick school to giving your... How'd you trick them? What'd you do? Next, it's chapter 3 of your book. Ooh, and writing the other 25 chapters of my book. Hell yeah, man. 25 chapters. Good luck. I like it. Oh, school tool. I thought that was a typo. That's awesome, man.
You know why I started Foresight,
Why is this?
Gray?
Oh. Hold on, it's gonna be louder. Sorry. I gotta get rid of that clip. I'm sorry. Alright, yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Hey, yo. We're gonna do me. We're gonna upload. Is there anything quieter? I don't think there is. Can I control the volume? I don't think I can. Okay, look. Now it's opaque. Let's at least get... I mean, does it need a display to play? Probably not. But we can easily resolve this by doing position absolute. Oops. Fuck me. Absolute. Oops. It's got to be like that. And then we'll do left. Oops. Left. We'll do negative 5,000 pixels, whatever. And we don't actually need any of this or any of this. So this should be right. Position. Learn to spell. And let's do this one as well. There we go. Let's try that. What infill do you use? I use 10%. I mean, you really shouldn't go under 15. But infill, I've learned, is not that big of a deal. What really matters when you're 3D printing is the shell and the walls thickness. That's what really gives the printer, the printed object, its strength. Obviously, if you have a really long, flat shell, it's important to have infill to fill the gaps and not let it sag. But I've now learned that the strongest and quickest infill to use is cubic. And not just any cubic, adaptive cubic. That's this one here. This one. Adaptive cubic. And it gives the printed object the best structure inside, you see here, and it adapts to different parts of the print to make it either smaller cubes or bigger cubes. And yeah, so you can see here I'm using 20%. I swap around. 20 to 30% is kind of like the two different ones I've been using because I want my products to be a lot stronger and heavier. Because if it's not heavy, it kind of feels cheap. So that's why I do that. But it's really quick compared to other infills. All right, let's try again. You, hey yo. Select, upload. There we go. And look, it's hidden. But it's there. Let's try it out. Make sure it works still. Make sure it looks good.
You know why I started Foresight,
okay, so
Gray?
the player's gone now. Ooh, that's not good.
To take over the world?
I wonder why the text isn't showing. That's not good. Okay, we need the text to show. It's going empty on me. Hot chocolate time. So this is just playing the audio. I don't need you anymore. But what I do need is to figure out why the nut... yeah, move dialog box. So we have this. The text that I'm providing... Here's the character. Here's the current dialogue. So this is mostly about the image and stuff. And the cutscene box, if it's a cutscene area. Did you fellas see that there's a make a game for 15K on Twitch? What? That's crazy. Really? That's a lot. I mean, there's so many game developers on Twitch though. Fuck. Good luck. And so many more that do it full time as well, which I do not. Current character image. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so this has nothing to do with the actual dialog box. Right. So in that case, this is working fine, but wait, where's text coming from? Text is coming from here, here. Okay, hold on. That's why dialogues inner text is not going to work. What I need, this is only for the first text obviously, but if and contain class list contains no WP block Orbem paragraph MP3, then we need dialogues to equal dialogue the query selector P, I guess, because then I get the inner text, make it nothing, pass it to typewriter, whatever 0 is, I don't remember. And then, ooh. But now I'm changing what the first line of dialogues is. I don't know if I want to be doing that. Close cutscene if clicked out. Yeah, I kind of don't want to be doing that. So I might just need to do this. Text. And then this is text container. So text container equals this. Text container. Let text container equals that. And text equals, actually I can just get text from text container. And same for this. And that should be it. So now I'm not actually changing what the dialogues first is, so now all of these engage, remove, add, shit should still be working. And text should be correct. Then this is the first load. So now we need the not first load, which is here. We need to figure out why the text isn't showing. So this is next dialogue. That's your promo for 15K diamonds or something. What? for 15,000 dormants or something. Yeah, make me a game. So we have the current dialogue, which could be the first one, it could not be. We're gonna grab the next one, which we're gonna go through all the dialogues, remove all the engage classes. Okay. And the next P, we're going to add an engage class, which seems like it's working. Provided audio, we have that figured out. The problem is that next P is being changed. But it appears to not be working. Maybe because next P is... Wait, what am I doing with element? Typewriter element. What am I using element for, though? Oh, inner HTML. Oh, shit. I think I actually do need to pass. I do need to pass it. So actually, text container... No. I'm right. So in that case, next P actually is correct. Yeah, no, I'm right. Told them what the fuck, why is this not working? Oh, maybe because of the inner HTML. Because the inner HTML includes an audio file. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It's just the text. What am I fucking up? Why is this not working? Alright, let's try this again.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Yeah, why is the text not showing? Let's go into here. So this should be the text that shows.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Oh, it is.
To take over the world?
Okay, so it is working, but it's hidden for some reason. So it must be a styling thing. Let's see. I don't know what that styling thing is, but let's figure it out. Cutscene. So where P display none? It's display none. That's why. Got it. So we need to do that whole WP block, MP3 paragraph. Wait, what is it? Doop bop, shmoop bop. This one. So yeah, P is hidden by default. So in fact, I need to do this. That's what I need to do. And not P. How do we do this? P. You know what? I'm starting to think that I'm making this all backwards compatible for no reason. Because, I mean, if you are using this game engine, and if I'm using this game engine, do I need to compensate for just a normal paragraph block? Because I'm going to be using my block the whole time, because that has a character select in it. I don't know, whatever. I'm compensating for both, but still. It's kind of annoying that I'm doing that. I don't know who I'm doing it for. Okay, so this, none, engage, block. P, block. There you go. Layout will do it. And that's JavaScript. And that's styling. Okay, now it should work. Did you get the video of your game project? Oh yeah, I want to see it. You've never done PHP. No, this is all styling. PHP is just a server language. It has nothing to do with like the major function. The major functionality is all JavaScript in this.
You know why I started Foresight,
You should
Gray?
say hey yo now. Yes. Hey yo. Oh, hey yo sounds weird. All right. We got it. Why? Why don't you work when I want you to? There we go. Dude, all we do is party here. Okay, so now we have it. I'm not going to use it right now. I'm going to use it for the female characters. That's about it. How do you... Shit, there's no way to remove this, is there? Oh, shit. Alright, whatever. Can you do replace and then just, like, don't replace anything? Uh-oh. Well, that's a loophole. It would be nice if there was a way to remove this download. Alright, whatever. I guess you could always just convert it to a details. What? What's details? Interesting. Alright. So let's get rid of this. We don't need it. We just know it exists. And now we can move forward. I'm not going to rewrite all of these with the new block because it's just paragraphs with the selector. But going forward, I'm going to. And so now we can continue. What am I missing? So we have talking ability to do that. Upload a line of MP3 files, which, holy crap. That'll be hard to do. It'd be nice if I figured out a bulk way of doing it. Which you can do it programmatically, I guess, if you look at the code. Like if I add this block here, and I do hey again, and I upload this, and I do a character select, and then you look at the code, you'll see here, technically, I can programmatically create this block in code a million times. You know what I mean? So I can just like do it in Excel or some way of repetition. And then, you know, just replace these pieces with text, replace the MP3 URL with that, and then just paste it all in. So, I mean, there are easier ways to handle this if you wanted to. What up off the bed? How you doing, man? How you been? How you doing? I love how I can't delete this. Oh, we finished the final iteration of the flex keys print. You'll see it's only 0.5 millimeters sticking out now, which makes it really easy to read and really easy to print. And then this is 0.5 engraved and set, the logo on each side. And yeah, I used the new chamfer technique that I saw a dude using, which basically adds a chamfer. I don't know if I can put it against my face and you can really see it. It's like a chamfer, which is a 45-degree angle, and then it goes to a fillet, which allows it to really transition smoothly. So honestly, the only post-production I did on this is kind of hit the corners with like some 2000 grit so it didn't hurt my fingers. And yeah, it was good to go. And I also organized all my other files. I put the logos in all of them. Well, I put the company name in all of them. And yeah, man, we are flying. Let's get rid of all these. We no longer need you. And just like that, we're also done with all the logic we need for dialogue. So talking has been rebuilt. That was a nice little distraction Game Doodle threw at us. But hey, I think we're better for it. It really changes the dynamic of the game. So now the next thing we need to do in the game... What is the next thing we need to do in the game? We need to add the timer functionality for the timer. I don't know what you call that. Puzzle.
You know why I started Foresight?
To take
right?
over the world? Yeah,
It was
right.
no
That's
one
what
else. Just like when I gave the greatest funding, the biggest science yet to be decided. You were so far in advance that if anyone in real time saw it in use, they would have space time has so far been frustratingly beyond mortals. Your research is something quite special.
I forgot about that. We need to fix that. Skipping needs to stop the previous and start the new. Oh shit. Okay, well we can easily do that. Well, I think we can easily do that. So how is it handled? So make talk. It plays audio. Yeah, it's just doing audio play. So all I have to do is stop. So how was I doing it for... So I need to define this and stop it. How was I doing that for the old talking, the robot talking? I have to look at... What was the function called? It was... Frequency? Here we go, play frequency. So how did I stop it? Source start. I guess I was stopping it somehow. Play frequency. Was I just stopping it at the beginning or something? How was I doing that? I guess source is a global variable. Yes, it is. And I must have been here. Source stop. Got it. Got it. So here I also need to do, I guess, audio as a global variable. That's a little dangerous, isn't it? I guess it's not. No, I mean I'll stop it just like I did here. I'll stop it. But like, I guess maybe I shouldn't be calling it audio then. Like everything audio. I should be calling it talk audio or something. Or doesn't it? Oop. Talk audio. Sure. So let's do the same thing. We'll make it a global var. Talk audio. And then let's go down to audio. See, yeah, that's why I want to change this, because I know I use audio for play song too. Make talk. So let's change audio to talk audio and talk audio and talk audio. So now I should do the exact same thing as the other one was doing. It'll just stop it before the next one starts. Should work. We'll see. And technically I could still use the whole original robot talk. I still think I want to use it for robots. So I'm going to leave it in there. So let's see if we can skip the audio and it doesn't just play all the audio files.
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
Nope. I broke something. Source stop is not a function. Oh, whoops. Now it's using... I got you. You have 4 books to read. Yeah, you do. It's doing a separate function. Well, we know it worked. Because it wouldn't have hit this function if it didn't. Let's try it again. Go.
Hey, Mr. Salverson.
What? What did I do? Stop is not a function? Should be. Talk audio should be an audio file. Right? Same with source. Oh wait, start is different than play. Is it pause? Is that really what it should be? I thought stop was an audio thing. Okay. Well, let's change it to pause then, maybe. Like you said. Will pause even work? Maybe. I guess I could just look here. Stop. Cancel. Is that it? Maybe? Cancel? Maybe. Oh, if you pause it, it might start the other one at the wrong number. Hey, DeepSeek. How do you stop a Google TTS audio playback? Stop audio. What does it do? Pause. Current time 0. Okay. Yeah, same thing you said basically. I love how fast DeepSeek is. China knows. China knows what they're doing. Alright. Let's try that. Okay, go. And go. And go.
Hey, Mr.
Oh. Look.
Sir, you know I was days away from
There we go.
solving the vortex.
Don't meet me
There's
in my
just
office.
no way they'll agree to let me keep funding your research.
I'm sorry, Brain.
I should be stopping that. I don't know, should I? If like you skip through the whole thing, should I stop the last line from playing at the end too? Or should I let it play out? Because I could easily just do the same shit. So where's the close cuts or after cutscene? Right here. Blah 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 blah. Image, play song. Yeah, I might as well just cut it out. So let's do this. Same place I would, you know, stop talking. You gonna go ahead to bed? Alright, off to bed. You go off to bed. I appreciate you stopping by though, man. And, yeah. Keep me posted on some new prints and stuff like that. Hit you up in Discord, my friend. Let's try again. Now it should stop if I just skip through the whole thing.
Hey. Sir,
Don't forget
you know
those
I was
giants.
days
Wait,
away
they'll
from
agree to
solving
let
the
me keep
vortex
funding
since I was
research.
brought on. Getting a real proof.
I'm
You
sorry,
know they'd say
Ray.
anything to. You were there. You saw the wormhole open that day, right?
Now it didn't work. Yep. To make a book about someone who thinks that eating drywall is safe and makes them live longer, and then doctors are telling him the same, but his friends and family are telling him he's true message, but the doctors were wrong, and the guy died. What the fuck? That's a weird book. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, DeepSeek has been standing on the shoulders of giants. Whatever. And they're made it better. And you know what they're doing? They're forcing OpenAI to be cheaper and better. Because in order to compete, because everyone's going to be using the cheapest option, they're going to make their thing cheaper. So, not a bad thing. Ugh. Competition is good. Okay. I don't know why that actually didn't work. Because after the cutscene finished, it should have stopped the talk audio. But for some reason, it's not working. It works if I do it slowly, kind of. Right?
Hey,
Oh, hey.
See, it works.
Look, so sorry.
sir, you know
Brain, unfortunate.
Cranston and Giles.
Don't forget the watermelon. There's just no way. Meet me in my office.
See, that worked. But when I just kind of clicked it a bunch of times, it's almost like it ignored the stop function. Which my guess is because the make talk functionality is async. There might be kind of a lag. Which, why don't I just add this to the make talk function? Right? Because this is every line. So, if I do this, then it should stop the previous one. That might come in to bite my ass. That might bite my ass. Bite me in the ass, I mean. Because then overlapping text will get cut off. Whatever. Let's try it.
Look,
Meet
so
me in
sorry
my
no
office.
way they'll
Project
agree to let
not
me keep
working
funding
out.
your research.
Don't
Same
worry,
thing.
though.
I'm
You're
sorry,
a young
Brain.
guy. You'll do great things in your life after
It's the same
foresight.
thing, though.
I know.
They don't exist because it's async. I don't know if I care. I don't know. Do I care? Honestly, if anything, I should put this... No. I'm stupid. I'm like, I'll put it at the bottom so it immediately stops it. Okay, whatever. We'll leave it. If you're skipping like this, I can't help you. Well, I mean, that's what I tried to do. I put it on the after. The problem is, make audio is an async function. I mean, make talk. So, it's technically outside the bounds of your click events and stuff. So, it loads a little slower. So, I think the talk audio isn't alived. I mean, the lifespan of the talk audio for the one that's getting initiated is being overridden after the async function runs. That's my guess. In fact, I'm going to try to make this not an async function and see what that does. Because I'm not even using it properly. So let's try just not making it async. I like dependent functions. Especially because make talk isn't only for Google. It's also for playing audio files, so maybe it doesn't matter. Ooh. Maybe they're under attack again, yeah, could be. Alright, let's try it again now that it's not async. I think it'll work now.
Hey,
Brain, unfortunately no one saw. Meet me
And
in
it
my
isn't just the
office.
board who has doubts.
Oh, maybe it's not
Between
what they
Professor
think.
Cranston and Dr. Giles, both making some
really
solid
weird.
arguments against your wormhole theory.
Oh, god damn it. Is there really no category? Again? I hate that the auto restream start does that. Like, I wish it would use the category that I chose. But restream can't choose a category for you, apparently, which is really stupid. Ugh. Fucking game development. Yep, bitch. Okay. Oh yeah, we weren't caring about that anymore. I give up. Okay, so whatever. We fixed that, so you can skip through it. I mean, there is a little bit of overlap. That's a fine bug to fix in the future. Oh, we wanted to work on the timing functionality, so let's do that. Excuse me. I was just fucking with my laptop stand. Yes.
You know why I started Foresight?
to take over the world?
No.
Oh, yeah,
No one gets it.
You know what I
Brain,
think it is?
But you did.
right.
It hasn't
Almost
started
like
yet.
twins, eh?
None of this matters.
If I let it start and then
not
skip
the
it,
money,
it works.
not the board.
But if I
and certainly
click
not
it before it
99% of the
starts,
crap that
So, what does
I
matter,
think
sir?
that's why it's not working.
magic.
I don't know how to fix
Magic,
that, but
sir?
I also
Like,
don't know why I'm punching.
Did you
right
know
now.
that lightning
I
was
shouldn't be able to
considered
punch.
magic at one? No. Everyone, I called you here. The board are
I'm sorry.
I.
Hi. Okay, so I don't have voices selected for any of these, so I think.
Hello, Mr. Milford.
Hi, I need my badge.
Wait, what?
Sure, I'll give that to you now.
Why does it sound different than
Thanks.
Graham?
Before that, I need to tell you that you have to go find your onboarder. She'll be in the research
This is a
grid.
perfect voice for him too.
Alrighty.
That's funny. All right, it's good to know. Because I didn't adjust after MC. Well, no, his name's Andy, but I didn't specify a voice for Andy. I mean, I didn't specify a vocal range for Andy, so technically it should have been the same voice as Graham, because mid is the default range. Oh, maybe I don't have a default range. Well, then what's the default voice name? Oh, my default voice name is different. Ah, okay. Got it. Hey, yeah, it's a great default voice name. So now everyone's going to sound like that, including Iona right here.
Hey, I'm your onboarder. I have a lot to tell you about Tyrus.
Great.
Oh no, I have to add Thyris as a pronunciation.
Before we do that, I need you to finish setting up your lab, then we can meet at BLN to talk.
Just a lot of words I'm going to have to change. Hey, thanks for the points. Chica, I like your voice. Super hot. Yeah, right? Let's go to... Ooh, we still need to add a song for the rest of the levels, too. We'll definitely do a song music... I mean, a level music stream. Maybe this week. So I can add some jazzy piano. Not supported.
Hey, nice to meet you too. Hey, Graham, I'm John. Hey, Graham, I'm Jeannie. Hey, that's great. Hey, I agree.
It's so stupid. Now all my dialogue is coming back to haunt me. Hey, I agree. Okay, what was it? That threw me for a loop. Oh shit, I never set up the lab. Whoops. Well. That sucks. Hey, we're back to hey. Yeah, I didn't add all the dialogue I needed to. Hold on, I need to... Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can sneak in with wall phasing without getting killed. There we go. Okay, now let me change. Oh, actually, I don't think I need to change. She can handle it. There we go. We'll do this in order. It's out of order. Oh, I just threw my knife. I don't like that the weapon engage function isn't working anymore. It's supposed to disable it when you're doing things like dragging. So wait, what's it called? Wait, what? What's the error? Throw exception of count locally. Oh. No. Is it? Oh no, it's the await fetch. That's what it is. Got it. Yeah, I should have a window dot weapon time? No. Weapon connection. No, that's that new thing I added. Oh, allow hit. Allow hit. See, this should... yeah. So allow hit should be turned off. So here's the drag. See, this is supposed to be turned off. Wait, why isn't it turned off? Key down. So this is a set timeout. So wait, where am I turning it off? Yeah, right here. Item to drag. So this gets turned off when you drag something, which it's not. So that's weird. Looks like another thing I'm gonna have to look into. Trigger indicator. Yes, it's all supposed to turn off during a cutscene, but it's not. Yeah, okay. Okay. Put out the fire. Let's phase her back in. Okay, here we go. So, let's just do this part. Okay. Now, I need to get the timer set up, now that we're in this state. The disarm robot. I know, right? John, can you lift this desk? In the book, he really wanted John to do it, but... I lost a headphone rubber. Oh, whatever, I only use one anyways, usually. Okay, here we go. So how are we going to do this? We already have the timer functionality, so let's go over to there. So here's the timer logic. The timer plus the timer. So I'm able to define the timer. How long it's going to be. So what I need is a matching interval with a countdown as the timer. So, well, no, the interval counts down till 0. Which, wait, what is set timeout? Is it 1 second? Oh, yeah. So it's 1,000 times that. So this is milliseconds. So the set interval needs to happen in the same... No, it needs to happen in 1 second. So it's just 1,000. And then I'll divide this by 1,000 and I'll just loop. Okay, that's what we'll do. Yeah. So here, let's just trigger the logic here. So we'll do this. So we'll do start the timer, right? And we'll add the time signature. that we defined for the timer. And now this is purely a function for starting the timer. So let's go here. Function start the timer. And this is time amount. So now what we need to do is, first off, we need to create an element. So timer equals document dot create element. We'll do a div. I like divs, whatever. And inside the timer, well, let's give it a class. Timer.class name equals what? Timer countdown. And then inside the timer is where we're going to add the number. So basically, we'll start timer with text content equals time amount divided by 1,000. Right? So we're starting with all the seconds for the set timeout. And then, so that'll be a text value for this. And let's actually do parse int. We need this to be a rounded number. I want you to be a string though, so. Wait, how do you cast a number as a string? You should be able to. I guess we could just do inner HTML. Whatever, right? Is inner HTML considered a string too? I guess it is. Whatever. Let's just do that. Set interval, which we're gonna have to define, but I just want to get something up and running right now. So the set interval is going to run at 1 second each. And in this, we're just gonna -1 from this. So actually, let's do this. Count down equals that. And then count down. It's not redundant because I need to count down here too. Okay. So 1 less equals countdown -1. So if 0 is less than count down. Yeah. Countdown -1. Otherwise, 0. And now, every second we'll just change the text content of timer. Right? Why not? This should work. Oh, this is redundant. Shut up. You're fucking redundant. You know how redundant you are, IDE? And you call me redundant? Okay. No. Let's just see. I don't know if this is going to convert into a string, but let's see. Now, I need to find this timer. Oh, I have to actually add the timer. Hold on. So we'll do timer document dot query selector. We'll put this in the container. container. And then we'll do container dot append child timer. Now my only thing is, will this actually change the timer, or am I gonna have to grab it? I might actually have to grab it. God damn it. Timer. Queries. Document. Query selection timer countdown. Yeah, there we go. That'll work. Timer countdown. So now I'll look at it every time. Okay, this should work. Everybody shut up. Shut up. It's gonna work. First try, completely blind coding. Let's watch and be amazed. Where's the container? Right here. Okay, so it should append to the end right here, where default map is. All right. And go. Console errors. It worked immediately. Start. The timer is not defined. Are you fucking kidding me? You're not defined. Yes, I know. I spelled that wrong. I'm surprised that everything else is working perfectly. Alright, go. And let's double check container again, just so we can see this thing load. Go. Oh, look at that. It worked. Though I created way too many timers. And it's not updating. Hey, it worked though. 40 seconds. That's correct. Where the fuck is this thing supposed to be? Maybe it needs to be position audio. I mean absolute. Let's do right, 0, bottom, oops, bottom, 0, the index. I don't know. Oh, it's down there somewhere. So this should be in the same plane as all of these. So, oh, maybe it needs to be fixed. There it is. And then let's do two. Oh shit, my shit fell. Alright, we got this. Oh god, I unplugged my computer. And this fell again. Oh man, I'm gonna have to print a really good solution for holding my phone in place. Okay. 2 RAM. Okay. So let's add the styling just so I can see this. Timer dot style dot. What do we have here? So we have position equals fixed. We have timer dot style dot right equals 2 rem. Timer dot style dot bottom equals 2 rem. I also want to add let's add font size. It's really hard to see. Sure, 2 rem as well. And I don't think I need the Z index. And we might need it. Timer.style.z index. Sure. Okay. Style's good. It appends correctly. Only problem is it already exists. So what we want to happen is if timer countdown dot text content if 0 equals timer dot text content, can't fucking spell, then we want to remove it because we'll just create a new one. Okay, so the real logic is const timer countdown equals document. Should only be one timer at a time. So we'll just try to look for it. Timer countdown. And if it exists, I don't want to do anything. So else, let's create it and start it. Alright. So if it exists and you try to restart it, you should remove the old one. And actually we need to do this timer countdown interval. We need to delete this. Clear interval. There we go. And we also want to clear this interval here, if it already exists. Right? Right. So we actually have to do the same shit we do with all of them. And do a let. Okay. And we can get rid of this. That's not what I meant to do. We can get rid of the interval. Wait, where am I starting the interval? Wait, what? Did I delete it by accident? Oh, intervals right here. The hell? Am I tripping? Okay. This should work. And if it already exists, remove it. So this will just basically all the iterations that it did at the same time, and it should only just leave it once after you let go. So let's see if it shows up. It did not. Yeah, okay. Let's find out why not. Come on, you bitch. Well. Maybe this is screwing it up. I guess for now, let's leave this out of the equation and just let it create a bunch of them so we can make sure it's functioning. Because it should only update the first one. Sounds like a fun way of making a timer. Adding and removing divs. Yeah. Just changing text content. Oh, there we go. So it seems like it only works once. It changes from 40 to 39. Why is that? Set interval. Timeout. It should go every second. My guess is timer countdown is screwing up. Oh, you can't see the timer because of my face. Hold on, let me move this over. There's the timer. Right here. So what's happening? Yeah, it seems like it updated it once, and then it stopped. I'm not exactly sure why. So let's make sure this is working. Console log. Hey. Let's make sure this is running. Skibbity. Oh, it's creating the interval a bunch of times. That's not right. Yeah. Okay, so start the timer. I really need to only let it start once. Which is weird that this set timeout shouldn't be getting hit that many times. Start timer. Set timeout. Oh. Hold on, I don't think this is where I should be starting the timer, is it? No, it is. Why is this getting hit so many times? It should only be getting hit once. I mean, whatever. I guess we can just add a class or something. I guess we can do like a timer countdown hit equals false. Twitch volume bar? I don't know. Alright. So if false equals timer down hit, then let's go. Cool. And then we'll immediately change it to true here. No. Yes. Timer hit true. Alright, and then when this hits 0, we'll take timer to false. Okay, there we go. 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 Alright, this should only work once now. Yay! Okay, so now every second, hey, he's getting hit. Perfect. No, I didn't see the picture. That's Twitch volume bar? I don't know. That's weird. So my guess... Wait. I think I'm being dumb here. Countdown is the amount. I'm not updating countdown, that's why. I'm dumb. So instead what I should be doing is grabbing the text content. Const previous content equals timer countdown dot text content, and that's going to be a parse int, so we can turn it into a number. Great. And we'll have to use that instead of countdown. Countdown -1. Or we'll have to do this. If previous content, if 0 does not equal, then countdown gets updated. Equals previous content. Cool. Right? Right. And we'll change countdown to a let. Okay. This isn't complicated at all. This will work. If this works, I'm out of here. We have countdown. Literally. Alright, there you go. So now we know how long we have to run around and hit the other button. We can actually test this real quick. It should say start timer. Yeah. So when this hits 0, start timer should go away on this class right here, the start timer class. It should. They might be a little bit off. There might be a little bit of a lag. But it should be pretty close. Yeah, there you go. Timer stopped, that stopped. And it deleted it. So if I do it again, it starts over. Now, if I click it again, I think the timer will restart. Oh no, because it already exists. Though I think the timer will restart. No, it won't. Yeah. Alright, I think we're good. We have a timer. And it's time to mess with the dogs. So, I will be heading out, everybody. Everybody who's jumped on YouTube Shorts live feed, hey, make sure you subscribe so you can catch another stream. And, oh, we missed Corrosion. And I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me on this crazy Tuesday, Wednesday. Making great progress. We just need to basically do a bunch of styling, add a bunch of assets, add a bunch of things to the levels. Yeah, I'm sure there's a few other things I need to add to this that I forgot, but no, I don't want to raid anybody. We only have a few people. I don't raid unless we have like 6 people. I want to look cool, you know. But yeah, I gotta go to the dogs. So hey, thanks everybody. Have a great night. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.